Here are 15 places you must visit before you leave this world. 1. New Year's Eve, fireworks in Australia. 2. Cherry blossom season in Japan. 3. Summer on the French Riviera. 4. Autumn in Switzerland. 5. Winter nights in Finland. 6. The Eye of the Earth in Croatia. 7. The Lantern Festival in Thailand. 8. The Day of the Dead in Mexico. 9. Sunrise at Mount Bromo in Indonesia. 10. Sunset in New York City. 11. Pink Sands Beach in Bahamas. 12. Tulip fields in the Netherlands. 13. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. 14. The Sahara Desert in a safari adventure. 15. The Rose-Red City Petra in Jordan. Set a goal to see all these places with your own eyes. Share this video with someone you'd love to travel with. If you're not following, you're probably never going to see us again. But if you are, then congratulations. You're growing every day.